In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to book movie tickets online using Bookmyshow. Whether you're planning a spontaneous cinema outing or preparing for an eagerly anticipated movie release, booking tickets online is easy and efficient, and Bookmyshow makes the whole process seamless. Let's dive into how you can secure your seats from the comfort of your home. First things first, open your web browser and head over to bookmyshow.com. This is your gateway to a wide array of movie listings and showtimes, all at your fingertips. Once you're on the homepage, the next step is to select your city. This is important because it ensures that the listings are relevant to your location, presenting only the cinemas and timings available in your area. You'll usually find a drop-down or prompt that asks for your city. Simply click on it and choose your city from the list. Now that you've selected your city, go ahead and tap on the Movies section. This will take you to a dedicated page showcasing all the current and upcoming movies. Here, you can browse through options based on genre, popularity, or new releases, giving you a sense of what's hot at the moment. Once you find a movie that piques your interest, it's time to click on Book Tickets. This button is typically placed next to the movie title or poster, and clicking it will direct you to the Showtime selection page. On this new page, you'll notice options to select dates for the movie. Choose a date that best suits your schedule. This feature is particularly useful if you're planning a trip to the cinema a few days in advance. After picking a date, you'll need to select the cinema location and showtime. Many users appreciate the variety of options at this point. You can choose a theater with a seating arrangement or screen type that caters to your preference for the best viewing experience. Before proceeding, you might need to agree to the terms and conditions, which is common on most booking platforms, ensuring you acknowledge their policies. Now it's time for an added treat. Bookmyshow often provides an option to add on food and beverages to your order. This added convenience means you can have your snacks ready when you arrive at the cinema, saving you time and letting you enjoy the full cinema experience without the hassle. Last but not least, you'll proceed to payment. Bookmyshow makes this straightforward by offering various payment options, ensuring a secure and smooth transaction. Simply enter your payment details and confirm your purchase. Once complete, you'll receive a confirmation and you're all set for your movie night. Booking your movie tickets online doesn't have to be a daunting task. With Bookmyshow, you're just a few clicks away from enjoying the latest blockbusters with ease and convenience. Enjoy the show.